Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna work on 68 Baja Bug. Yesterday, I replaced the rear brake shoes. So today, I'm gonna replace the front brake shoes. Yeah. This guy actually had the speedometer. So this is the speedometer input sensor. Oh, this is reverse. Okay. So I'm gonna clean both sides. Yeah, it's time to replace the shoe. So this is the brake drum, and if you replace the brake shoe, you often need to resurface the brake drum, but I checked them and they are fine, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Okay, I cleaned up the entire system and greased, and this is the adjustment for so that I greased it so that it turns smoothly, and also I greased the bearing, and now I'm gonna put the new shoes. So I cleaned the bearings and removed the excess grease and inspected them. And it looks like the bearings are fine, but the especially right the grease seal is damaged, and you can see this the broken pieces. So I'm gonna replace these grease seals and they put back together. So this is tricky part. So if you tighten this too hard, it doesn't really spin. So you have to loosen this so that the bearing has enough play to spin. This is too much. Okay. And tighten this guy. Okay. I'm gonna adjust the brake shoe position the same as the rear. But the adjustment hole is here to the front side. So I adjusted, but to make it balanced, I have to kick the brake a couple of times. But before doing that, I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the similar adjustment. Okay, so both shoes are bearing touching. If I move the one notch, this guy feel more resistance. So that I return the one notch back, and I think this is the position I want to have. And I'm gonna kick the brake one more time to see the balance. Okay, this side is fine. So I'm taking from the other side. So the adjustment, the gear or screws is behind this hose. So this is that upper one. So if you do the clockwise of this gear, then the rod gonna extend and try to catch the drum. So shoe will extend it. Okay, now I started to feel the resistance. So I'm gonna go back one notch. And less resistance. I think it's okay. I'm gonna do the same thing clockwise, so it's opposite to the not this one, this one. So bottom is opposite direction. Oops, I went too much. Now back. Okay, it's smooth. I'm gonna kick a brake. I kick the brake and that's smooth again. I'm gonna go one notch, extend. It's not touching yet. One more. I think it's done.